Hey guys, in our video number 6, we finish off creating this capture page from scratch, right? And in this video, I actually want to test run the capture page so I could actually show you that the capture page does work and is working, all right? So what I'm going to do here, folks, I'm going to put here a fake name, one of my fake emails that I always have here set up in the system already, all right? I'm going to click Get Instant Access, all right? Let's see if it sends them to Ari Murakabe's PLS presentation, okay, sales funnel. Okay, yes, continue tour. There you have it, folks. It sends them right to where I wanted them to go, all right, which is the Ari Murakabe's maximum formula Today, PLS sales page, okay. There you have it, folks. So it does work. So let me pause this, okay. Now, I want to go over another thing here, all right? A lot of folks are having trouble with how do I create an email campaign from scratch, okay? If you want to create an email campaign from scratch, this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do, right? Here we go. You will go to email, go to email, scroll down to, you go to email, voice and text, scroll down to email, scroll to the right, add campaign, view and edit, okay? So you want to add campaign because you're adding a new campaign, right? You're creating a new email campaign, adding a new email for whatever business you're promoting. If you're promoting a cryptocurrency business, a gold business like Karabars, Janesh, Javita, Total Life Changes, TM. If you want to create an email campaign for any of your businesses and you want to create one with your own flavor and touch, you go here. Okay. Now, it says enter name for campaign. Now, the name of the campaign, this is where you're going to be able to add it to one of your capture pages, and you click on that button, which is step 3, add a campaign, and you're going to see all the campaigns, the email campaigns. This name is so you could be able to find your campaign that you created. Okay, so over here I'm going to create my own campaign, test campaign for 101 training, right? All right, folks, so let's create that. Very simple. Now that you created the name of the campaign, yes, let me choose a campaign to copy. You can actually go click and copy a campaign that already exists, and you could actually edit it. After you copy a campaign, you could go and edit it, okay? Which means you could take out something from that campaign that you don't like and put yours. You could take out a Facebook group that is linked to that campaign and put your Facebook group, okay? You could do a whole bunch. Or you could just start one from scratch. So in this video, we're going to start one from scratch. Okay. Now, this is the name of the campaign when you start looking for all the campaigns, you see? When you're looking for the campaigns, you'll see it here. You see? All along with all the rest, right? So that's the name that you put on, that you created. That's the name that you gave it. So you'll be able to find it in this long list of different campaigns. Now that we get that out of the way, let's scroll down and get you started with creating your first email in this campaign. So to create an email, it's very simple, folks. People just don't like to read. They want everything handed out to them. That's why I'm doing this videos, because this is all like common sense. If you actually read, it says it. Add new email campaign. Boom. Click there. What's the title? What's the subject of this particular email campaign? Let's do thanks for subscribing. Let me introduce myself. Voila, right? It doesn't have to be in capital letters. This is just a test, guys. All right? You do whatever you want to do. Add this email. Boom. Look what happens now. Voila. I just created my first email to go out. Obviously, the email is empty in the inside, but the subject line is created. In order for me to put the email in it, I would have to click View and Edit. Click View and Edit. Here we are, folks. Here, you'll be able to edit and add anything you want. So, let's erase this right here. Hi, how you doing? My name is, right? Guess what? PowerLead system is so sweet. It has something here that says, right here on the top, it says place a variable in your email and personalize it. So how will you do that? You will scroll here and you'll be able to put the recipient's first name, whatever. I'm Puerto Rican, I can't talk. All right, there, the lead's first name, the lead's last name, right? The lead's, the recipient email. You don't want none of that. But in this case, hi, how you doing? My name is, I will put my first name. Voila. So you see this thing right here? It automatically puts my first name there, guys. It would automatically put your first name there. That's simple. When that email goes out, it'll have your email, it'll have your name there, period. So, hi, how you doing? My name is, or you could go like this. Hi, and then you put their name there. Go over here, recipient's first name. There you go. And it'll put their name there. So when they get their email, they will receive that name right there in the email. Another thing, guys, you want to scroll down here, okay? Isaac, I'm recording a 101 PLS video training. Thank you. Be a good boy. Sit tight. I'll be with you right now. All right. Now what we need to do is very simple, right? We could, change the colors of the backgrounds. We could change the letters. We could change the size. We could make it bold. All this stuff is all here, folks. For example, you want to make the letters blue, highlight it, create the email first, highlight it, voila. Now you got blue letters, right? Very simple, folks. Right now, once you click everything, let's say that I want to add my Facebook group. Valentine's Secret Money Formula Group, right? I would highlight it. Very simple, highlight it. Click on the link. Right here, you see this link thing? That will connect a link to that, would put a link in that sentence, right? So when they receive the email, if I say, click on Valentine's Secret Money Formula and I'll bring you to my group or whatever, or to join my Facebook group, click here and you highlight the click here and you will come here, you will put the Facebook code here, right? And you hit OK. But something important, you want to make sure that you target it, go to click on target and you put pop up on a new window. You don't want to close the email. You want to make sure that if they click on it, it opens up a new window and sends them to your Facebook page. Then you hit OK. Okay. Now I'm going to hit cancel because there's no, please put a URL. Cancel. Okay. Yes, I'm canceling. Thank you. All right. So it's that simple, folks. Now, another cool thing is you could add your picture. You can add your own touch. You can add a picture of one of your business things. I have tons of few pictures here uploaded. Let me go click on my browser. So when you click on browser, it's going to take you to this page. I have tons of pictures uploaded. How do I upload my pictures? You got custom library, which is something that they already have set up for you guys. Tons of stuff that you could add in your email. Pretty cool. Okay. Generic library. Then you got my library. All right. My library in your case might be empty. You have to go up here where it says upload. You click on there and you choose a file and then upload selected file, guys. Very easy. All right. No rocket science here. Okay. So in my example, I want to personalize my email. I'm going to double click on my picture and your pictures normally is going to come out in a huge format. It's going to look huge, guys. As you can see, it's huge. We don't want it that huge, right? So you come over here, click on the width. I'm going to change it to 275. And just hit on the side. It automatically will resize it for you. I'll hit OK. There you go. Now it's in the email. Obviously, you could put this in the bottom of the email, not on the top. This is just for illustration purposes, guys. Okay? Look how neat this is. So this is the power of the PowerLead system, folks. So now I want to go ahead here and hit Save Changes. Anytime that you're done creating this email campaign, always hit Save Changes. Voila. First email is done. Okay? Obviously, you will put more stuff than what I did. This is just a test. First email's done. Now, send on day 0. Let me explain something here. Send on day 0 means it will be sent right away. The minute that the person puts their name and email, literally 1 minute after, they're going to receive an email. That email will be day 0. That's today, right away. Okay? Now, let's set up another email for it to be sent out on another day, right? So you always want to save changes. After you're done from the email, always save sent on days changes. You see that? That means it's always going to save that number right there for this particular email. Save it. Sent days updated. Save. Add a new email. So let's add our second email for this email campaign. Subject line. Hi, I missed you. This is just an example, guys, okay? But believe me, you'll be surprised what kind of email subjects people use, and it works sometimes. All right? Add this email campaign. Now you got the second email in your system, guys. This time we're going to change the date on this one, and we're going to put day 1, which is actually day 2. Remember, the days are always 1 day behind. It's no big deal. It's no rocket science, guys. This is day 2, even though it says day 1. Okay? Close the page. What you do after you change the date, save date on sent on date changes. So we're going to save that. The days are changed, right? Then you will go here, right? Open up that email, blah, 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 blah. Put everything here. Hi, how you guys doing? Blah, 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 this and that. Add an image, add a link. Save changes. Always save changes when you're done. Voila. What's that hard, folks? Go to the next email. Add a new email. You don't want only a 2-day campaign. You want to make an email campaign for at least 30 days. So add another one. Add a different subject line. Fire your boss. Add email campaign. They're all going to say day 0, folks. When you put a new email campaign, they all will say day 0. You see how it skipped day 2, which is actually the number 1 here? You see how it skipped it? It actually skipped it. Fire your boss went on top because it's still on day 0. You have to edit that. Click on it. Erase that. Let's put day 3. Right? We're going to skip a day. Like that, they don't receive an email every single day, right? And then you click Save Changes, and it will organize it for you. Or you could send them an email every day. Doesn't matter. Get it done. Do something. Add these emails. And it's that simple, folks. All right. So let's go click on this day 1, right? Day 3. You see? It's going to go on day 3. You click on it. View and edit. You put your little magic touch. How you doing? My name is this. How you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. Hope that you find this email well. Blah, 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 blah. This and that. Be creative. Blah. And then save changes. Now that you save changes, you will notice how the email will get in place. You saw how the email went from up here to down here because the system recognized that you saved it for day 3. So you got day 1, day 2, and then day 4th, which is the 3. All right? Don't get confused on it. Just keep adding emails and create your email campaign. I hope you find this very useful and helpful. So next time when you go create another capture page and you hit on step 3 of the creating capture page, which asks which email campaign you want to link this to, you hit the scroll down button. You will find the email that you created for your particular business and add it to that, folks. I'll see you in video 8 of PLS 101 training with Val. I hope you find this very educational and informative. See you guys in the next one. Bye.